Listen up, if you're dead broke or you simply want to learn how to make an extra $50 to $60 per day online, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video step by step. Hey guys, welcome. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So today I want to share with you exactly how you can make 20, 40, 60, or $80 per day just working 1 or 2 hours per day just posting ads online. And I know that probably sounds hard to believe, but I'm going to show you proof that this is actually possible, and I'm going to give you the templates so you can do it yourself step by step, and you can replicate exactly what I'm doing. So I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, so let me explain first how this system actually works, how the process works. I'm going to show you two websites that I've used in the past, and the only reason why I'm showing you these two websites is because my experience with these websites, I always got paid. There was never any sort of problems. And how it works is very simple. Instant Rewards and Sip Not a Silch. They're two websites that offer free trial offers. What they do is they have advertisers where they make a commission every single time someone takes a free trial. Now, for out of that commission, they pay you a percentage. In this case, for the offers that I'm going to show you, if you're able to complete and get a 1 credit, then you are able to make $20 for every single person that joins the program and actually completes and get their 1 credit. So basically you sign up for free, and once you sign up, you complete credit offer. They have multiple advertisers, as you can see, from different companies. They have Netflix, they have LifeLock, GoDaddy. They have a lot of different advertisers where you can take a specific trial offer, and once you get that trial offer, you'll get some credits. As you can see, 0.5, 0.20. As you complete your 1 credit requirement, you only need to do this once. So once you have your 1 credit, you don't need to do any more trial offers. Now, once you have your credit, then now you can start referring other people who do the same thing you just did. So every time they do it, you'll get a $20 commission that's paid to you via PayPal. I'm actually going to log in and show you how many referrals I was able to get in the past a few years ago when I needed money real bad to pay different things and to launch my businesses. So if you're looking to make money, just an extra $200, maybe an extra $500 a month. Now, it's important to clarify that this is only available for the United States and Canada. Now, let me show you the actual results that I got when I was actually doing this. This is perhaps the fastest way that I know where you can make money. I'm going to show you exactly what I did so you can copy and do it yourself. So with Instant Rewards, in the time that I was doing it, I actually got over 867 referrals to this program. And remember, I was just doing this part-time. All I was doing is doing some advertising using Facebook and Craigslist. I'm going to show you the templates that I use with Facebook and Craigslist so you can replicate what I did. Now, every referral counts for $20. So you get a referral, and once they actually sign up, it's free to sign up. Then, if they complete the trial offers and they get their 1 credit requirement, then you make a $20 commission. Now, let's go to the order page. I want to show you all the payments, the $20 payments that I've received over time since I started doing this. And as you can see, all these payments were going right into my PayPal account, and you can see $20 payments, sometimes multiple payments per day. 118, as you can see, $40 payment right here to another $20. So I was receiving, sometimes making 60, sometimes making $100 per day when I was doing this. I wasn't actually doing this all the time, but as you can see, they definitely do pay. Sip Not a Silch, the same thing, over 300 referrals in the time that I was doing it, and that allowed me to make some nice side income that I used to buy some other tools and things that I needed to start my affiliate marketing business. They even have some section, a proof gallery section. Each of these websites, which I'm going to link to in the description below, you're going to find everything that I'm talking about in this video. You're going to find it in the description below. And they have a section where they have thousands of people who have posted proof of getting paid from this website. And Sip Not a Silch also has a few, they have so many pages of people who have posted screenshots of them getting paid. So let's talk about exactly how I did it and how you can do the same. Well, the first thing you need to do is sign up for Instant Rewards or CNC, whichever one you want to do. You can sign up for them, and then you need to complete a trial offer so you can get your 1 credit. Now, not every trial offer will give you 1 credit. As you can see, some of them will give you half a credit, but you do need to stick to your trial. I mean, you need to read the guidelines of what they're asking for. Don't expect to just sign up, do a trial offer, and then 24 hours to just cancel, because they're not going to let you do that. What you need to do is just make sure that if you pick an advertising, an account that you want to do a trial offer, do it for a product that you really want to try. Just do it, and if you're really not happy 2 weeks later, then you can cancel it. But don't do just any type of offer so you can cancel 24 hours later, because trust me, it's not going to work like that. Just do pick a product or service that you really wanted to try, and if you like the product, keep it. If you Now, what I did mainly is once you sign up for either Insta Rewards or CNC, they'll give you a special affiliate link. That affiliate link you can use to promote it in different places. And when people sign up through your affiliate link, then you get credited with that referral. So one of the first things that I did is I utilized Facebook. I didn't have any money for advertising. I just turned to Facebook, and I turned specifically to the network of friends that I had on Facebook at the time. I created an image just like this. Actually, this is I did this image for this video as an example, but in that time when I did it, it was something very similar to this. I took a picture and posted what from the proof gallery, not my own proof because I didn't have any proof. I actually took one of the screenshots from the proof gallery, put it on top of my picture, and in this one specifically, I use canva.com, which I'm going to link to it in the description below. If you want to create a similar image, you can do that. All you need is just image of yourself, screenshot of getting paid. You can take one from the gallery that they offer, either Instant Rewards or CNC, and you can put some text on it like part-time gig, just 1 or 2 hours and an error. This is proof in a visual aspect. As you can see, people browse on Facebook all the time, and things like picture, really eye-catching picture, they'll help you drive attention to your post. So in this case, what I did is I took the picture, posted to my wall, my personal profile on Facebook, and then I actually posted. I have 3 ads here, what I'm going to talk about in this video. One says one for Facebook profile. It simply said, hey guys, I found a site that pays $20 for taking simple trials. My friend showed me the site, and he makes a consistent $40 to $60 per day posting ads on Craigslist and other places. Let me know if you will be interested by replying more info. Now, newbie mistake number one that I did was I actually posted my links, my affiliate link from Instant Rewards and CNC in multiple places. That doesn't get you anywhere. What you want is interact with people. You want people to reach out to you and ask you for information, so that way you can answer their questions, really help them out. But if you spend 10-15 minutes with someone answering their question and actually explaining how the program actually works, then they'll be more likely to sign up, and you'll make $20 for 15 minutes of your time. So imagine if you do this for 2 hours per day. You start posting ads in different places on Facebook, on Craigslist, and you get 15-20 people to reply to your ad. Out of those 10-15 people, perhaps 5 actually take you on the offer, and they actually sign up because it's free, they have nothing to lose. Well, you just made $100 with 5 people. It took you 2 hours of your time, you didn't spend any money, and you're doing this all from the comfort of your home. The key is you want people to reply to your ad. You don't want to send any links or anything. You want them to reply to your ad and say, hey, yes, I'm interested in what you're offering. Let me know how it works. And this is where you go into depth and you explain the entire program. I also did this with Facebook groups. With Facebook groups, all I did was I would take the same image that I posted in my wall, and I would put something like, hey guys, not selling anything, just looking for some people who might be interested in a part-time gig, just posting ads on places like Craigslist and other sites, just 1 or 2 hours a day. You can make anywhere between $20 to $60 just doing this. If anyone's interested, just add me as a friend for details. Again, not posting any links anywhere, not spamming, basically telling people, hey, listen, this is my picture. This is what I'm doing. I'm looking for people interested in making money from home. If you want more information, add me as a friend on Facebook. This thing worked incredibly well for me. Basically, I had 50 to 60 people adding me on Facebook every single day. And from there, that's how I got over 800 referrals on Instant Rewards. The reason why it works so well is because Facebook is huge. There's so many Facebook groups. Of course, there's still rules on Facebook where you can't post X amount of times per day on different groups. And so you have to be really careful. I would say you could do it perhaps, 5 to 10 Facebook groups per day max, and that's it. And just wait for people to add you as a friend so you can provide that information. Now, the last one that I used was Craigslist, and Craigslist is very popular in the US. A lot of people use it to find jobs, a lot of people are looking for part-time gigs. So it's definitely one of the best places to advertise this type of program. So the title that I used was Part-Time Gig, Easy $20 to $60. That's it, no more context or anything. So I got a lot of people curious clicking on it to see what the gig was all about. And the ad said, looking for people interested in part-time gig, posting ads online 1 or 2 hours daily, pays anywhere from $20 to $60 depending on your efforts and time working. If interested, please reply to this email and details will be sent. I would get, for every single ad that I posted, perhaps I posted 1 or 2 ads, that's it. I would get 20, 30 replies to my ad on Craigslist. That would give me an additional 5, 10 people who would actually sign up and join. I was making anywhere between $60 to $100 a day just doing this a few hours per day. And this is not a long-term thing. This is not something that you're gonna retire making $10,000 a month. This is just something that if you need money right now, let's say you want to save $200 to buy that affiliate marketing course that you really want to, or you want to buy that computer that you need in order to edit your videos, or you want to buy a very nice camera in order to shoot your YouTube videos, whatever that is, then you can use this method to be able to make that type of money so you can then buy whatever it is that you want to buy, or save it, or pay bills, so whatever it is that you want to do. I hope that you enjoyed that training, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, share the video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Remember, all the resources and the links that I mentioned, including the template that I was talking about, it's going to be found in the description below so you can use it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.